Do not have sexual relations with both a woman and her daughter. Do not have sexual relations with either her son's daughter or her daughters. They are close relatives. That is wicked. Do not take your sisters as a rival wife and have a sexual relations with her while your wife is living. Do not approach a woman to have sexual relations during the uncleanness of her monthly period. Do not have sexual relations with your neighbor's wife and defile yourself with her. Do not give any of your children to be sacrificed to Molech, for you must not profane the name of your God. I am the Lord. Do not have sexual relations with a man as one does with a woman. That is detestable. Do not have sexual relations with an animal and defile yourself with it. A woman must not present herself to an animal to have sexual relations with it. That is perversion. Do not defile yourself in any of these ways, because this is how the nations I am going to drive out before you became defiled. Even the land was defiled, so I punished it for its sin, and the land vomited out its inhabitants. But you must keep any decrees and my laws. The native born and the foreigners residing among you must not do any of these detestable things, for all these things were done by the people who live in the land before you, and the land became defiled. And if you defile the land, it will vomit you out of its vomited out the nations that were before you. Everyone who does any of these detestable things, such person must be cut off from their people. Keep my requirements and do not follow any of the detestable customs that were practiced before you came, and do not defile yourself with them. I am the Lord your God.